Hey you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia, and first of all, Happy New Year, you all. And I hope this year brings lots and lots of happiness and success to you all. Today it's December 31st, and the time currently is 5 in the evening. And I'm just starting to make this video, and I'm planning on posting it at dot 12 o'clock. Okay, so did I give the intro or not? I totally forgot. Okay. But for those of you who are new here, my name is Ananya Dalmia. And for today's video, I was actually planning to title it as monthly favorites, but then, the kind of person that I am, I don't know if I will be able to upload it by 12. So I am going to name this video as Things You Need to Stock Up in 2022. Okay, these are my monthly favorites, and trust me, I am loving each and everything I'm going to list in this video. And for those of you who love vanilla fragrance, this video is for you guys because I have literally found the most amazing vanilla fragrance ever. Trust me. Okay, so now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So for the categories, I have skincare, makeup, snacks, fragrance, and what's the whole point of this video if I'm not talking about Korean dramas? So yeah, dramas in general and series, scented candles, then the mask that I love, like the face mask and everything, and then the quote of the month. So stay tuned for everything. Okay, so first of all, let's start with skincare and going step by step. First is sheet mask. So I am currently using this. I've actually used this like a lot of times, but I swear by this sheet mask. It's by Mirabelle, and this is made in Korea. So I have just one more left in the variant berries in this one, and I literally need to stock up. But if you guys want to go ahead and buy it, trust me, cucumber is so good. I've literally just tried it yesterday. It's so freaking good. And another one that I absolutely love is turmeric and sandalwood. Turmeric and sandalwood are amazing. Like I've literally ordered 5 turmeric sheet masks from this specific company from Amazon, and I swear by these masks, like I'm not even kidding. The turmeric and the sandalwood and the cucumber one, they are so amazing, and they literally last you all day. Like if you put it at 2 or 1 after washing your face, trust me, you guys do not need to even put on moisturizer after that. This is that good. Like yesterday, I put the sheet mask on at like 2 in the afternoon, and then after half an hour or so, I removed it and then applied the remaining serum on my face, and it literally lasted all day. So these sheet masks are like so good. They literally last you all day. They are super hydrating and brightening too. So yeah, I love them, and I swear by these face masks. Now moving on to the next product in the same category, I have this. So this is the L'Oreal's hyaluronic acid serum, and so for those of you who don't know, I actually did a whole video on this, and in that video I actually put the serum on for a whole week and I showed you guys the results. So yes, I am absolutely in love with this product. So yes, make sure to go ahead and watch that video too if you are interested in buying this product. So I honestly have more things to include in my monthly favorites, but then I think I am just going to try to use them more so that I can give you guys a more honest review about those products. So I'm not gonna list that products in this video. Come back after a month and I will probably upload it with the January favorites maybe. So now moving on to the makeup, I have 3 products. First is this Lash Paradise mascara. You all must have heard about it, and this is such a good product, to be very honest. This is like amazing, and it actually make your lashes look like voluminous and all good. So one disadvantage of this product is that it is really hard to take off. Like it's a waterproof mascara, so you need to be like very careful while removing it because it's like very bad for your lashes, because sometimes even lashes come off while I'm trying to remove this mascara. Overall, it's a good product. Like it does what it's supposed to do, but then the removing part is kind of a disadvantage. But if you're totally okay with that, it's a really good product. So now moving on to the next product, I have this lipstick, mini lipstick by Nykaa, and it is such a pretty color, you guys. Uh, like I am obsessed with this shade. Like, in the beginning, I actually did not like this product at all, but then now that I've started using it and mixing it with other shades, it's like such a beautiful shade. And now that I'm realizing it, this is such a beautiful shade in itself too. And this is in the shade 50M. So now moving on to the next product, it's again a lipstick, and it's a really, really pretty shade. So this is by NYX, and this is in the shade Budapest, and trust me, it's so amazing. It's like such a different shade, to be very honest. Okay, so that is it for the makeup category because I really haven't been experimenting with makeup a lot. But then, yeah, this is it. Now moving on to the next product, I have snacks. What's the point of this video if you're not doing snacks and dramas? So for snacks, I have these wafers. These are so good, and I'm literally so obsessed with them. Like, I always have them in my bag. Like, I'm literally that obsessed. Like, whenever I'm about to get over with these, I always make sure to go and stock up. That's how obsessed I am with these. So, I don't even need to tell you how amazing these are. Like, so if you're a chocolate lover, you will definitely love these because so I have tried multiple wafers, okay, because I love wafers, but these one are amazing. Like, I've tried so many wafers out there, but I don't know, there's just something off about them, but these are literally so good. So yes, highly recommended. So now the next product is something that I don't have right now because I literally ate it yesterday because I was super hungry. But it's Maggie pasta. I love both the cheese and the tomato variant. So I was kind of confused about the tomato variant, but then it is so amazing. Like, I don't really like red sauce pasta. I am a fan of white sauce, but then when I had like the tomato variant, it was better than the cheese one. Trust me. Like, I will literally be the last person to say that, but then it is what it is. The tomato variant is so good. Okay, so now the next snack that I have is so it's Kellogg's Granolas, almonds and cranberry variant, and again, it's so amazing. It is so good. And I'm also going to try the chocolate variant because I'm pretty sure that will be amazing too. But then this is my current favorite right now, and it is so good. So yes, that was it for the snacks. Now moving on to my absolute favorite category, fragrance. So I know you guys have been waiting for this. Okay, so for the first, okay, I'm just not gonna spill the secret right away. Okay, so obviously you all must have heard about this product, the Plum Body Mist in the variant of vanilla, and this is how it looks. It's an amazing product. It smells just like vanilla. Like, yeah, it's amazing. It's like such a perfect dupe for the Body Shop. Like, this is such a good product, but what's better than this product? Okay, so this is literally my third bottle. Okay, I'm not even kidding. I started using this. I actually found this 2 years ago when I was just shopping in West Side, and I came across this fragrance, and that was my first time to actually buy a vanilla fragrance. So I didn't really know much about it, but then I got my hands on these, and then after that I did try a lot of other vanilla fragrance out there, but then none actually was like wow. Okay, so you know what I mean. This is such a wow product, trust me. This is like so amazing. It smells so good, like the perfect vanilla. And it's vanilla, but it's like very, very warm. Like it's like very warm and cozy. And like this one is like vanilla and it's amazing, but then it's like more warm and cozy. You know what I mean? So I literally found this product like 2 years ago. This is literally my third bottle, and I am so thankful that I came across this product. So if you are a vanilla lover, you definitely need to try this product because this is so good. Um, I I can literally go on and on about this product, about how good this is, and this is literally for 540, I guess, like 535 or 540, and I don't know how much this product is. It's like 525, so they are both like equal in price. So that was it for the fragrance part, and now coming on to my absolutely second most favorite part of this video, dramas. So to be very honest, I really haven't been watching Korean dramas this month. I have been watching like Netflix a lot, but not dramas in reels. So my favorite series are from Netflix. I loved The Bold Type, then Control Z, and How to Sell Drugs Fast. Yeah, I absolutely loved that series. And then Moxie. So I've watched all of these. So now coming on to the drama that I'm currently watching, Party A Who Lives Beside Party B. It's a Chinese drama, and it's like kind of an okay drama. It didn't like get me hooked. Like dramas that get you hooked are Crash Landing on You, Descendants of the Sun, and King, and uh, Put Your Head on My Shoulder. These are the dramas that like get you hooked, and once they're over, you're like lonely and don't know what to do with your life. Yeah, it's not like that, but then it's okay. It's kind of good. So now moving on to the Korean dramas that I absolutely love are, first of all, Crash Landing on You, The Descendants of the Sun, Legends of the Blue Sea, and Romance is a Bonus Book. So all of these dramas are like so amazing. You can literally binge watch them any freaking time of the day. So no matter how many times you have watched these, you can still watch them. Like at least I do. All of these dramas I have literally watched them like 5 to 10 times. So yes, Romance is a Bonus Book, then Pinocchio, and My Name is Gangnam Beauty, and Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok Joo. And the last one that I'm going to talk about is like such a good drama, but I don't know why is nobody talking about it. It's called Memories of Alhambra, and it has Park Shae-hin and Hyun Bin in this drama, in this series. And I don't know why it's such a good drama, but nobody really talks about it. But then these are all amazing, trust me. And there are so many amazing dramas like The King, The Heirs, an absolute favorite. Like yeah, I can literally go on and on about the dramas because I've literally watched every Korean drama out there. So, and again, if you are if you're trying to get into dramas but and you don't know how to watch any of these dramas, and if you want to go for Chinese dramas, watch Put Your Head on My Shoulder. That was my absolute first drama that I watched, and उसके बाद से I really haven't stopped watching dramas. That was a drama that got me hooked. So yes. So now the next category is candles. So for the candles, I only have one. This one I got this from Miniso, and I got a pack of 4 of these from Miniso, and it is so good. Like it smells so good. The name of this candle is Lost Coast, and I didn't really bring all the 4 candles here because I didn't have any space in my luggage, but all the 4 are like pretty good. It's midnight, coconut, strawberry, and apple something. All the 4 candles are so good, and I got the pack of 4 of these for 350 rupees. So yes, this is the one that I absolutely love, and yes, it's so good. So now coming on to the next category, that is mask. So I am just going to include one homemade hair mask. So I have a clip of it in one of my videos. It's a rice hair mask and it is so freaking good, but I guess I haven't really told you guys what all products are there in this. So it was just a simple rice paste, and then uske baad I added coconut oil and a little bit of castor oil and aloe vera gel. Those are the products, and then I applied it. It's such a great mask, like it makes your hair all smooth, shiny and voluminous. So I really love that mask. Now the last category is the quote of the month. Someone had put this on the story and I did screenshot it, but I don't know where it went. So I'm just gonna say it. It's not my job to make you like me. It's my job to be me, and the right people will gravitate. So this quote was extremely motivating, at least for me, because I have always felt like not being able to fit with people. I've always felt that way. So this was such a nice quote, and whenever I feel that way, I just remind myself that it's not my job to make you like me. It's my job to be me, and the right people will gravitate. So yes, for this year, remember that don't try to always fit in. You don't have to force yourself to fit in. Just be yourself, be happy, and just do your own thing, and the right people will eventually gravitate. Okay, yes, so these are all my absolute favorite things that I love to use, love to eat, and love to watch. So yes, if you love any of these, you need to stock them up in 2022. And so yes, that is it for the video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.